Assalamualaikum student, welcome to MDCAT with SK. In this video we will discuss 60 most repeated MDCAT biology MCQs. First MCQs, cell biology में से 5 MCQs. Who discovered the cell? Sheldon, Shivan, Robert Hooke, Virchow. So correct option C, Robert Hooke. Next MCQs, cell theory was proposed by Virchow, Sheldon and Shivan, Robert Hooke, Brown, Robert Hooke. So correct option B, Sheldon and Shivan. Next MCQs, powerhouse of cell is ribosome, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body. So correct option C, mitochondria. Next MCQs, ribosomes are site of lipid synthesis, protein synthesis, respiration, photosynthesis. So correct option B, protein synthesis. Next MCQs, centriole is absent in animal cell, bacterial cell, higher plant cell, functional fungal cells. So correct option C, higher plant cells. Next MCQs, biological molecules में से monomer of proteins is monosaccharide, fatty acid, amino acid, nucleotide. So correct option C, amino acids. Next MCQs, cellulose is made up of glucose, galactose, fructose, ribose. So correct option A, glucose. Next MCQs, which bond form between amino acid, ionic peptide, hydrogen ester? So correct option B, peptide bond. Next MCQs, vitamin D deficiency causes rickets, scurvy, beriberi, pellagra. So correct option A, rickets. Next MCQs, DNA was discovered by Watson and Crick, Misher, Roseland, Franklin, Wilkins. So correct option B, Misher. Next MCQs, enzyme यूनिट में से enzyme are mostly lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. So correct option B, proteins. Next MCQs, the non-protein part of enzyme is called apoenzyme, cofactor, coenzyme, prosthetic group. So correct option B, cofactor. Next MCQs, which factor denature enzyme? Low temperature, high temperature, substrate, none. Correct option B, high temperature. Next MCQs, lock and key model was proposed by Fisher, Koshland, Pasteur, Miller. So correct option A, Fisher, email Fisher. Next MCQs, Km value indicates enzyme activity, affinity for substrates, temperature, effect, cofactor binding. So correct option A, enzyme activity. Next MCQs, bioenergetic में से photosynthesis occur in chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosomes, cytoplasm. So correct option A, chloroplast. Next MCQs, dark reactions occur in Grana, stroma, thylakoid membrane, cytoplasm. So correct option B, stroma. Next MCQs, light reaction produce ATP and NADPH, glucose, pyruvate, acetyl CoA. So correct option A, ATP and NADPH. Next MCQs, glycolysis occur in nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast. So correct option B, cytoplasm. Next MCQs, end product of glycolysis is acetyl CoA, pyruvate, lactate, glucose. So correct option B, pyruvate. नेक्स्ट MCQs, genetics में से फादर ऑफ genetics डार्विन, मेंडल, लेमार्क, मॉर्गन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन मेंडल. Next MCQs. Law of segregation given by Mendel, Darwin, Morgan, Lamarck. So correct option A, Mendel. Next MCQs. Sex in humans determined by XX, XY, YY, XO. So correct option B, XY. Next MCQs. Down syndrome chromosome number 45, 46, 47, 48. So correct option C, 47. Next MCQs. Sickle cell anemia caused by point mutation, frame shift mutation, chromosomal deletion, duplication. Correct option A, point mutation. Next MCQs. Human physiology. Normal human blood pH 6.8, 7.0, 7.4, 7.8. So correct option C, 7.4. Next MCQs. Red blood cell lifespan 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, 150 days. So correct option C, 120 days. Next MCQs. White blood cell function, oxygen transport, immunity, clotting, excretion. So correct option B, immunity. Next MCQs. Platelets function in respiration, immunity, blood clotting, digestion. So correct option blood clotting. Next MCQs. Oxygen carrying pigment of red blood cell, myoglobin, hemoglobin, globulin, albumin. So correct option B, hemoglobin. Next MCQs. Circulatory and respiratory system. Heart is covered by pleura, pericardium, peritoneum, periderm. So correct option B, pericardium. Next MCQs. Pacemaker of heart is AV node, SA node, bundle of his Purkinje fiber. So correct option B, SA node. Next MCQs. Normal blood pressure is correct option A, 80 and 120. Next MCQs. Site of gases exchange in lungs, trachea, alveoli, bronchioles, bronchi. So correct option B, alveoli. Next MCQs. Breathing center located in pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, thalamus. So correct option B, medulla oblongata. नेक्स्ट है MCQs. एक्सक्रीशंस एंड होम्योस्टैसिस यूनिट्स में से स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी इज नेफ्रॉन, ग्लोमेरुलस, कलेक्टिंग डक्ट, बोमेन्स कैप्सूल. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, नेफ्रॉन. नेक्स्ट MCQs. डायलिसिस रिमूव ग्लूकोज, यूरिया, विटामिन, हार्मोन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, यूरिया. नेक्स्ट MCQs. Antidiuretic hormone secreted by thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, pancreas. So correct option B, pituitary gland. Next MCQs. Uric acid is excreted by birds, mammals, amphibians, fishes. So correct option A, birds. Next MCQs. Human excretory product is ammonia, urea, uric acid, creatinine. So correct option B, urea. नेक्स्ट MCQs. स्पोर्ट एंड मूवमेंट में से बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ स्केलेटल मसल इज मायोफेब्रिल, सार्कोमेयर, एक्टिन, मायोसिन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, सार्कोमेयर. नेक्स्ट MCQs. बोन हार्ड ड्यू टू कोलेजन्स, कैल्शियम फास्फेट, काइटिन, केराटिन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, कैल्शियम फास्फेट. नेक्स्ट MCQs. Sliding filament theory by Huxley, Darwin, Mendel, Watson. So correct option A, Huxley. Next MCQs. Ligament connects bone to bone, bone to muscle, muscle to muscle, muscle to skin. So correct option A, bone to bone. Next MCQs. Atlas and axis bone in skull, vertebral column, pelvis, ribs. So correct option B, vertebral column. Next MCQs. कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट में से फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम इज ब्रेन, न्यूरॉन, स्पाइनल कार्ड, डेंड्राइट्स. So correct option B, neuron. Next MCQs. Synapses is a junction between two muscles, two neurons, muscle neuron and muscle neuron and gland. So correct option B, neurons, two neurons. Next MCQs. Reflex action is voluntary, involuntary, conditioned, none. So correct option B, involuntary. Next MCQs. Insulin secreted by alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, gamma cells. So correct option B, beta cells. Next MCQs. Deficiency of thyroxine causes diabetes, goiter, Addison disease, cretinism. So correct option B, goiter. Next MCQs. Reproduction and development में से site of fertilization in humans, ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix. So correct option B, fallopian tube. Next MCQs. Placenta is formed by ovary, uterus and embryo, ovum, amnion. So correct option B, uterus and embryo. Next MCQs. Menstrual cycle average length 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, 35 days. So correct option C, 28 days. Next MCQs. Male gamete producing organ, ovary, testes, prostate, vas deferens. So correct option B, testes. Next MCQs. Estrogen secreted by testes, ovary, pancreas, pituitary. Estrogen is secreted by ovaries. Next MCQs. Diversity and ecology में से the study of classification is called morphology, taxonomy, anatomy, physiology. So correct option B, taxonomy. Next MCQs. Binomial nomenclature given by Darwin, Linnaeus, Mendel, Aristotle. So correct option B, Linnaeus. Next MCQs. Pioneer of evolution is Darwin, Lamarck, Mendel, Wallace. So correct option A, Darwin. Next MCQs. Greenhouse gas is O2, CO2, N2, He. So correct option B, CO2. Last MCQs. Nitrogen fixation by Azotobacter, Clostridium E. coli, Vibrio. So correct option B, Clostridium.